But this solution, guys, isn't a good solution in programming languages or in Python, especially in OOP, because we can make it slightly different and more professional. So what does it mean? It means that if you create this book or this book or this book, so it means you already know that every book has a title, author, and year. Okay, every single book has these three attributes. So it means you can put it here in the class. So you can say after you will create this this object or one object according to the class book, we need to put there three things: title, author, and year. So here, if you create this object, it means there will be a special function, and the function is called constructor. Constructor means that anytime you will create a new object according to the book class, the constructor will run. Okay, so it means the constructor will run here, here, and here automatically. So the constructor is something what we write like this. We will call def, like definition. You know that constructor, it's a function. Okay, so it's very similar to other functions which we have already seen. And the function or the constructor mean that it's special function. It's you need to write it like underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and now we have brackets and semicolon. Okay, oh sorry, colon. So it goes like this, and here you put here what or which attributes will be here. Okay, so it means we know or the first has to be self. Self is like something like a magic word which has to be there anytime. Okay, so in constructor the first thing is self anytime. And here you will see what self means very shortly. So here you need to write the attributes which will be used immediately when you create a new object according to class. So we said that it will be title, author, and year. Okay, and only for sure, only for this moment, I will write here something slightly different. I will call it book title, book author, and book year. Okay, only for this situation. You will see and shortly why I use these names. You can put here the name whatever you want. It's up to you. So now it means here you need to put these three things. So it goes like this, comma, it's a book title. After that, book author, it will be this, comma, and book year, it's this. Okay, and you can erase this. That's perfect. I like it. Of course, this function is not finished. Okay, so but I will change it here as well. So again, if you will create a new object according to this class, the constructor, this special function, will run. So it means this book say, okay, you promised me that anytime you will call me the class, you will send me these three attributes, and I want them. Okay, so again, I need to put it here. This is book title. This is book author, and this is book year. And again, we can erase this. Okay, you can see that the code is very clean. So now again, book title, book author, and now book year. Perfect. you can see that the code is cleaner, correct? It's better looking. So perfect. So I will stop the video here, and in the next video we will finish the constructor. So the summary: if you want to call the class here, the constructor will run immediately, automatically. Okay, you don't have to care about this. But in constructor you said, I will send you these 3 things. Self has to be there anytime. Okay, but I will promise you that I will send you these 3 things. So here you need to send there these 3 things. Okay, anytime you call the class or use the class to create a new object. Okay, so I hope, guys, that you understand.